A drone is an aircraft without a pilot on board. We use remote controls to fly drones. Drones use batteries for power. They can fly for a short amount of time, then they need to be recharged. Drones have become very popular. People use them for fun and work. They are also becoming more affordable. Drones are used by many industries. There are many types of drones. Three common types are multi-rotor, fixed-wing, and hybrid. Multi-rotor drones have multiple rotors. This lets them hover in place. Fixed-wing drones look like small airplanes. They are good for flying long distances. Hybrid drones combine features of both types. They can hover and fly long distances. Drones have many applications. They are used for photography, videography, and surveillance. Drones are also used in agriculture to monitor crops. They help farmers spray pesticides. Delivery companies use drones to deliver packages. Drones are also used for search and rescue operations. Drones are helpful in various industries. Drones have several essential components. The frame is the body of the drone. It houses all the other components. Motors provide the power to spin the propellers. Propellers create lift and allow the drone to fly. The battery provides power to the motors and other electronics. The camera captures photos and videos. These components work together.